it's Officer Dan here with Gktech. You're going to be in a great mood all day because you're going to be making your engine bay sparkle with the Gktech S13 240sx180sx Overflow bottle replacement. Some cars were born crappy with crappy overflow tanks. Thank goodness for Gktech. It's designed in Australia, so you know it's going to be good. The Aussies make some great stuff. Introducing the kinda sorta not at all new Gktech Overflow bottle. You get the box with Gktech logo, good for holding things other than liquid, the Overflow bottle itself, a stylish and modern yellow cap. This thing is guaranteed to be 100% newer than the one that's currently rotting in your engine bay. How about getting this laundry list of features such as the minimum line, so you know when things are getting low, the max line, so you know for a fact that you're topped off and ready for anything, the cap, whose sole job is to keep that liquid neon gold where it belongs, the factory mounting tabs to keep it where it all needs to be, and a vent tube up top for overheating spewage. Let us show you how easy to install it really is. Since we all know you've broken off the nipple trying to get that hose off, remove the broken piece from the hose, then effortlessly remove the outside bolt holding that tab down. Then head down and loosen and remove the inside bolt holding it down from there as well. Yeet it into the bin forever, watching it disintegrate into dust. Just look at how this overflow can't even hold up to a light bashing with a ball peen hammer. Weak. I mean, you're gonna spend $30 a month on duct tape just to keep it sealed up. You're throwing your money away. Our bottles have been scientifically enhanced in-house for ball peen hammer resistance, so you can rest easy at night knowing Gktech has you covered. Grab your brand new bright sparkling Gktech bottle and pop it down into its place. Pop that outside bolt on the tab, tighten, then head inside and do the same for that bolt. Once torqued, swing that broke nipple-free tube down and slip it onto the new nip, grabbing the spring clamp and sliding that down into place. Remove the stylish orange cap and fill her up with your favorite non-sponsored brand coolant. Fill her on up to the amazingly handy full line, toss that cap back on, give her a tighten, and your install's complete. How insanely easy was that? Stop having a boring engine bay, stop having a boring life. Disclaimer, Gktech is not responsible for any unwanted attention you may receive because your engine bay is looking like a Hugo Boss model on steroids. Gktech cannot and will not fend off any groupies that may flock to you when the hood is popped. We wish you the best of luck in all said situations. If you cannot install these, please have a trained and certified professional slap you in the face and learn to install it yourself, or email us with any questions you may have. This has been Officer Dan, Johnny Caps, Josh, and Red Cap Zach with another Gktech how-to. Peace.